How to shrink volume in laptop and PC. So hey everyone, come back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can shrink volume in laptop and PC in Windows 11. So let's just say this is the volume or the disk partition we are talking about. We just have to shrink some volume from this one. So then we just have to simply go into the Windows search bar and search for partition, and here is the option that create and format hard disk partition. You just have to simply click on here, and let's expand the window. And as you can see, we were talking about this partition, the new volume E. We just have to simply click on right click on the mouse and click on the shrink volume. And after clicking on the shrink volume, you just have to decide how much volume do you want to shrink. And you just have to input that manually. Let's say you just have to shrink 50 GB from the this partition. So you can just add 50 GB and then click on apply, and your volume of the disk partition will be shrinked immediately. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.